I just wanted to share a very good niche for Etsy dropshipping that you guys can actually steal, replicate, and just run with it. So this is the niche right here. This is one of the stores within the niche that's doing quite well right now. It's literally only started like 2 months ago. And it's kind of unique kimonos specifically targeting women. So this isn't the largest niche ever, but you can take good points from this niche and bring it over to literally anything. And it's about doing something unique and bringing it to a slightly different market. Because normally kimonos, in my kind of viewpoint, are always for men, right? They're Japanese, they're specifically targeting men. In this scenario, they're targeting women, and it's an interesting way to look at this. Because kimonos, there is literally tens of thousands of designs on AliExpress for kimonos. And this one is quite interesting. It is quite unique. There's so many different products you can do. So I wouldn't say steal these exact designs one for one and just take these and run these. But you can just have a look on AliExpress, find some similar designs and list those instead. Like we can very quickly look, so we're using a tool here, search image by AliExpress, and we can find where this item is actually listed on AliExpress. We can find similar ones. So here is actually a similar item right here. So this is a kimono again. And there is so many different items. So here is one right here. So this is a kimono for women, and this is actually quite good. So you could put a little bit more effort into this. Right here, they've only got pictures on mannequins, which looks a bit shit on Etsy. You never really want to use that. You want to have the picture on a person. So this is sold very well on Etsy, on AliExpress. Bring this over to Etsy, it will print. The best way to do this would be to get unique pictures. Because one thing that this store right now that is doing pretty well is using unique pictures. They're using AliExpress pictures and a bit of AI, and it doesn't really look that great. It's not that good quality. They can make it a lot better if they bought the items in person and got a model to take the pictures. You don't actually have to pay for a model. You can use a female friend or a sibling and things like this. But this stuff works really well. And what we're noticing more and more now with Etsy dropshipping is people are getting slightly smarter, doing the more unique items, bringing unique items onto the platform. And that is the best way that you make money with Etsy dropshipping. It's not just copying what everyone else is doing, it's bringing something a little bit unique to the platform or putting more effort in. Because this store has got 150 orders. Oh, it's just got a sale right now. It was on 149 when I started this video. It's got 150 orders in the past 2 months. It's going to be getting a good 10 plus orders a day very soon. But I could come in, I could buy all these products, get a model to take pictures with them, and I would take all of their sales. So if you put more effort in, you think of unique creative ideas, with Etsy dropshipping, you will win because no one's doing that right now. Everyone's being incredibly lazy. So if you don't want to be lazy and you want to make some money, take this niche, take the good things from this niche and run. If you want a completely free step-by-step guide on exactly how to do Etsy dropshipping, click the link right here, click the video right here, or click the top link in the description. I'll see you over there.